Alright, here what we're trying tonight is a Stoeger Luger. It's an older Stoeger Luger with an aluminum frame that's been machined. Later models were made with steel frames, but I just checked this one's aluminum frame. Magazines, 3 magazines, a holster, and it's got a toggle action. That's an empty shell. Never shot it before. We're going to give it a try. The only funky thing about these is that the safety switch moves with hardly any resistance, so we'll see if that has any problem with it, cause any problem. But you can see it's in great shape. The grips look like new, and I heard that they shoot both high and standard velocity ammo, but we're going to be shooting mostly high velocity ammo in it. We're going to be shooting here indoor range, 50 feet. Probably shoot at closer range targets, so I'll put a couple drops of oil in it and then we'll start shooting. So we're going to try 3 different kinds of ammo, and from what I've heard, the gun shoots, these guns shoot a little bit high, maybe 3 inches high, so we're going to keep the target at close range, keep it on paper as best we can. And the first ammo we're going to try is CCI Blazer.
Put it out a little further. That's what, no, out further.
Cock it. Kept it put it on fire. Let's see how it does. Neat. Shot 10 Blazers just right off the bat. 10 shots on paper. First time with CCI Blazers. Pretty good. Stoeger Luger. Old one. We're going to try 10 rounds of Federal Auto Match. I have to be careful, keep the safety switch up. You'll probably put a piece of tape on it next time.
You want tape now?
No.
Twice.
Now we're going to try 10 rounds of Remington Golden bullets. Empty magazine. I'm shooting pretty fast. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 shots on the target. Everything's shooting left. It's probably me. Well, I'm holding the grip a little tighter. I took another 10 shots down range. Hitting more to the center. But what's happening is every time I finish a magazine, the toggle switch gets stuck. So the toggle gets stuck, so what I find that I have to do is just give it 2 gentle raps like this and it closes, or else it'll get stuck. So that's the only finicky part, is the toggle gets stuck and the safety will come down. So other than that, it functions flawlessly. It's shot every bit of ammo that we've, except for one misfire with the Remington Golden bullet. So I'm going to put a few more rounds and try to keep it centered. Well, as I say, Practice makes perfect. Remington golden bullets. They shoot flawlessly in this gun. Okay, we're gonna shoot 3 magazines. Couple magazines hold 11 rounds, one holds 10. So that's 32 shots of Remington golden bullets. I'm trying to straighten out the shots by holding the grip tighter. Let's see how it goes. Little Kentucky windage, but I think we straightened it out pretty much. Funny thing is about this gun is you have to hold the safety switch up. If you don't have a piece of tape while you're shooting it, you got to hold it up with one hand, with one thumb. And after every magazine, that toggle, when it stays back after the magazine's released, it's because it's stuck. So what I have to do is tap it twice, and it closes every time. So that's the trick with the Stoeger Luger, on this Stoeger Luger anyway, but it shoots flawlessly. Only had 2 misfires with the Remington golden bullets, and some of the magazines hold 11 shots. Okay, this time I decided to shoot blazers. We're gonna keep trying to see how well, have fun with the gun. So, but just enjoy. Okay. Well, those are 3 magazines of blazers. Okay, we're going to try one more target with 3 magazines full of Remington golden bullets. Why not? Enjoy the fun. Oh, not too bad. Could be better, but still having fun. Just a lot of shooting. You get fatigued, but just remember, just got to give that gun a tap. Snap it closed. Thanks for watching, everyone.